What's new with Terra Classic these days, you ask? Well, let's dive into some exciting developments. Recent chart patterns show that Terra Classic's price may be on the verge of a bullish reversal. The descending channels break out, and the forming bullish pennant suggests that the price could surge to $0.10 if the pattern resolves to the upside. Currently, LUNC is trading below its 200-day EMA, but above the 50-day EMA, which may offer resistance and support respectively. A robust support level exists around 0.0007 thousand, helps sustain the price. The recent candlestick patterns mainly consist of dojis, indicating a potential reversal due to equilibrium between buyers and sellers. However, the preceding breakout from the descending channel incident a bullish bias. The LUNC RSI is at 54, which is neutral but leaning towards the bullish side, with value above 50 typically indicating buying pressure. The CNF is at 0.13, indicating money flowing into the asset, further supporting the bullish outlook. Now, here's a chuckle for you. Why don't cryptocurrencies ever go to parties? Because they're afraid of being chopped. Moving on, let's discuss a new utility for Terra Classic's USTC stablecoin. Membrane Protocol, a decentralized stablecoin platform, has passed a proposal to use USTC as collateral for its collateral debt token, CDT. This development could serve as a bullish catalyst for LUNC price. Additionally, there's speculation about a redemption arc for the Terra Classic ecosystem. Terraform Labs was ordered to burn all their wallets, potentially leading to an increase in LUNC and with USTC prices. The next court dates for TFL bankruptcy proceedings are July 31st and August 7th. In conclusion, the Terra Classic ecosystem is showing signs of renewed activity with its stablecoin USTC, gaining real utility as collateral for Membrane CDT stablecoin. This development has drawn attention to the LUNC token, potentially setting the stage for significant price movement. Terra Classic price may secure 33% gains in the short term before deciding its next move. With that said, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.